Let's go over the first topic of section 5.1 using reciprocal and quotient identities to simplify the trig expression. So we've been using these reciprocal and quotient identities throughout chapter 4. So we're just going to use those rules that we learned to simplify these trig equations. So the first one, I have sine x times cosecant x. So guys, whenever you see sine or cosine, leave them alone. So leave sine x exactly the same, but change that cosecant to what? Now I'm going to zoom out and show you what cosecant x is, okay? Remember, cosecant x is 1 over sine x. So I'm going to write that. Instead of cosecant x, write down you are multiplying by 1 over sine x. And notice what happened to the signs here. Signs will cancel out. So the final answer is just 1. Okay? Let's look at the second one. The second one has cosecant x on top and cotangent x in the denominator. Now I'm going to zoom out and show you what cosecant x is. Remember, cosecant x is 1 over sine, right? So I am going to write 1 over sine first. But instead of making it into a fraction, I'm going to just say that is the same as dividing it by cotangent x. Now, cotangent x is cosine over sine. That is by the quotient identity, okay? And that is also over here. So all the little formulas that we are using are in that box, okay? Now take a look. When you are dividing fractions, you keep the first fraction exactly the same. Change the division to multiplication and flip that second fraction. So now the sign is on the numerator and cosine's in the denominator. What happened to the signs now? Signs cancel out, leaving us with what? 1 over cosine. Now, what is 1 over cosine? That is secant x, right? So the final answer is secant x. So for this topic, all we are using is a reciprocal and quotient identities and some simplifying using algebra to simplify trig expressions.